Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines, the Comfee Portable Washing Machine and the COSTWAY Twin Tub Washing Machine. In this video, we will look at their features, capacities, and overall usability to help you make an informed decision. Let's dive in. The Comfee Portable Washing Machine has a capacity of 0.9 cubic feet, making it suitable for small loads. In contrast, the COSTWAY Twin Tub offers a total capacity of 26 pounds, with 18 pounds for washing and 8 pounds for spinning. This significant difference means that the COSTWAY can handle larger loads, making it a better choice for bigger families or those with more laundry. The Comfee model is a fully automatic washer that features an LED display and multiple wash cycles, providing convenience and ease of use. On the other hand, the COSTWAY model has a twin tub design that allows for simultaneous washing and spinning, along with a built-in drain pump for efficient water drainage. Each machine has its unique advantages depending on your washing preferences. The Comfee Portable Washing Machine is designed with user-friendly controls, making it easy to select wash cycles and monitor the process. In contrast, the COSTWAY Twin Tub requires more manual operation, which may be less convenient for some users. However, the ability to wash and spin simultaneously can save time, making it a practical option for those who don't mind the extra effort. In conclusion, both the Comfee Portable Washing Machine and the COSTWAY Twin Tub Washing Machine have their strengths and weaknesses. The Comfee is perfect for those seeking a compact, fully automatic washer, while the COSTWAY is ideal for users who need a larger capacity and don't mind manual operation. Be sure to consider your laundry needs before making a decision. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.